Welcome to Chrysler Breakers. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to replace common parts on your Jeep Cherokee right at home. Whether you're a seasoned DIY or just getting started, we'll make it easy. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have the right tools and parts. Today, we're covering air filters, brake pads, headlights, and windshield wipers. These are some of the most common replacements for Jeep Cherokee owners. Step 1. Let's replace the air filter. Start by opening the hood and locating the air filter box. It's typically secured with a few screws or clips. Remove the old filter and pop in a new one. A clean air filter ensures better performance and fuel efficiency. Next up, the brake pads. First, safely lift your Jeep and remove the wheel. Unscrew the caliper bolts to access the brake pads. Swap out the worn pads with new ones, ensuring they are properly aligned. Finally, secure the caliper and remount the wheel. Make sure to test your brakes afterward. Let's move on to headlights. Locate the back of the headlight assembly inside the engine bay. Twist the old bulb out and insert the new one. Be careful not to touch the bulb with your hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Replace the headlight housing, and you're good to go. Finally, the windshield wipers. Lift the wiper arm and press the release tab to slide off the old wiper blade. Slide the new blade into place until you hear a click. Test your wipers to make sure they are functioning properly. With just a few tools and a bit of time, you can keep your Jeep Cherokee running smoothly without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips, and if you need quality replacement parts for your Jeep, visit chryslerbreakers.co.uk.